One sunny afternoon, Ibrahim went shopping with his father. He had six shiny coins in his pocket and he was very excited. Ibrahim's eyes grew wide as he saw chocolate, a toy robot, colorful balloons, and a warm winter jacket. I want all of them, he shouted. His father smiled kindly and asked, "Do you really need all of them, Ibrahim?" Ibrahim looked puzzled. "Eh? What's the difference, Dad?" he asked. His father picked up the winter jacket. "Do you need this jacket, Ibrahim?" Ibrahim thought carefully. Yes, it's cold outside. "Exactly, my son," said his father. "A need is something important to live safely and healthily. Needs are things like food, water, clothes, a home, and school supplies. These help us grow and stay safe." Then his father picked up the toy robot. "Do you need this to live?" Ibrahim laughed. "No, not at all, father. This is called a want," explained his father. "It makes you happy, but you can live without it." For now Ibrahim had 6 coins. The jacket cost 5 coins. The toy robot cost 6 coins. Chocolate cost 1 coin. He thought carefully and decided to buy the jacket first. With the last coin, he bought a small chocolate. Smart choice. That night Ibrahim told his mother, "Needs come before wants." He felt proud and smart. When we choose wisely, we feel happy, not regretful. Remember, kids, take care of your needs first, then enjoy your wants.